Hello, I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. Now I'm gonna be showing you multiple ways on how you can fix this problem. Now the first way is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. After that you want to click on shipping and delivery. Now after that you just need to click here, it says create a custom profile. Now after that, in the top, you just need to name this whatever you want. Customers will not see this. After that, you want to click on add products. Now here you want to find products you have a problem with, okay? You should just find these products here, then click done. After that, you want to scroll down, and here you wanna choose the fulfillment location, where you have the location. If you have it in, for example, USA, or you are using a third party, you can just use that location, okay? After that, you can always, like, by the way, you can always make changes here. You will click edit, and for example, you can change this as you want, okay? For example, location, you can also deselect the location. This location will no longer ship products in this profile, but if you select this location will not longer ship the products in this profile, you will have a problem with you will have the same message, which is like can't be shipped to your location, or error, okay? Now after you do this, you want to click on add shipping zone, and now here you want to find the countries, okay? And especially the country where you are trying to make a checkout. Just select all these countries, all of them, then click done. Make sure you name the zone whatever you want. Again, doesn't matter, click on done. Here you want to add the rate. You want to add here the standard, and after that you want to click done, and then click save, okay? So what I want you to do now is to check if the problem is solved or not. If it's not, then keep watching. I will show you what to do. So you just need to create the market. You want to click on markets, and after that you want to click here where it says create market. After that you want to name this market whatever. I'm going to make it a new market. After that you want to click on add condition, and you want to select all the countries here. Okay, you want to select all countries because you are trying to ship internationally, or if you are trying to ship only to local people in United States, you want to search here United States and ship only to United States. So you want to click done. Now what you need to do is you want to click on save. Now as you can see, we have now the market. We named this new market. Click on it. After that you want to click here on all products, and then you want to click on this plus button next to all products. Click on add create catalog, and now you want to change this, okay? Just click here, it says automatically include new products here. I currently have like 4 products. Just click on automatically include new products, and then after that you want to click on save. Now after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery, and you want to click on general shipping rates. Here you just need to set up the rates here in the standard. Here we named it standard. Just need to click on add rates for local people and add rates for international shipping, okay? So click on add rate, and then you want to name the custom rate name. You want to name it standard, then click on done, and then you want to click on save. You can also click here on 3 little dots and then click on edit zone next to international shipping, and then you want to add all these countries here, and then click done, and then click save. So that's all you need to do, and I hope this tutorial helped you fix the problem. If it doesn't help you, I will fix this for you. Just contact me on Instagram directly, and I will fix this problem for you, okay? So just contact me on Instagram and we will fix this problem. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, this would be highly appreciated. This is the username of my Instagram. Drop a like and see you.